Hi there, students. Stunt. A stunt. Countable noun. To stunt. A verb but with a different meaning. And stunted as an adjective. Okay, so firstly, you probably know about stunts in films. An exciting acrobatic movement or action that is dangerous, or it looks really dangerous and you need somebody skilled to do it. You probably use a stuntman. So in the action movie there were loads of really impressive stunts. Okay, it's a typical action movie full of spectacular stunts. Yeah. um Full of these acrobatic, dangerous, daring movements that require great skill. Okay? We can also use this when somebody does something to get attention. Yeah? So, for example, a publicity stunt. Something that gets everybody's attention because it's daring or unusual, but it's just to gain attention. An advertising stunt. Okay, so a stunt, something that's dangerous and daring, a daring feat, often with a display of gymnastic or acrobatic skills. And then we have the verb to stunt, to prevent or reduce the growth or development of something, to stop it reaching its limit. So, for example, if a plant receives very little water, then it becomes stunted. It doesn't grow very well. If there are serious pollutants in the soil, the plant will become stunted. Um, People say that smoking stunts your growth. Okay, so it stops something growing as big as it could. It means that the plant or the animal is slightly dwarfed. It's not as big, as it doesn't grow as well as it used to, and doesn't reach a a bigger, a full size. And that's the idea of stunted. So, a stunt, an acrobatic or impressive feat, yeah, jumping from the car to the train. Yeah, I'm sure you've all seen this stunt done in a film, yeah, or something like that, but just to gain attention. In the film, it's done to add excitement and action to the film, but a publicity stunt. Um, the photographs were in the advertisement were almost obscene, and finally they ordered to remove the advertising. But this was just a publicity stunt to gain attention. Um, there was a flash mob in the centre of Piccadilly Circus, but this was a stunt to advertise the film that had just been released. And then to stunted, to inhibit the growth of something, to stop it reaching its full possibilities. So, stunted growth, the act of stunting. Um, okay, so yeah, he's always pulling stunts to get people to look at him. Notice, to pull a stunt. Yeah, he's doing really strange things, or things that people look at. Wow. Um, he jumped from one building to the next building. It was a stunt to gain everybody's attention. He the development of the economy has been stunted by high interest rates. Okay, it means it can't develop or grow as fast as it might do it. Yeah, a stuntman is always doing acrobatic and dangerous things in films and television programs. Very often, in a film, the main actor will have a stunt double. Okay, this is a person who's supposed to look like them and do the dangerous things. Yeah, he performs the stunts. Uh, Jumping from the helicopter to the aeroplane or something crazy like that. Okay, so a stunt. How formal is this? 5 informality, use it anywhere. To stunt, 5 informality, use it anywhere. Stunted, 5 informality. Notice to stunt is a regular verb. Pollution stunted the growth of the plants. The growth was stunted, so regular. And then, as to origin, okay, this dangerous feat, maybe it's linked to a Low German word, stunt, meaning a shoulder grip, which you you throw somebody on their back. If you hold them and you throw them on their back. Or maybe the Middle English word stunt, meaning foolish or stupid. And then to stunt, to restrict the growth of, to hinder the development of. Let's see, there's a Middle English word, stunt, meaning short or brief. And that's probably related to the Proto-Germanic stuntas, short, compact. Okay? So, a publicity stunt. I wouldn't mind doing a few publicity stunts to advertise my channel. So an amazing thing that somebody does to draw attention to something, or a dangerous, impressive display in a film or in a TV program. And then to stunt, to hinder, to restrict the growth of, to stop it developing fully. Stunted as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stuntman, stunted.